Hi, my name is Jas. I'm 26 years old. I was born in Mumbai and I currently live in Dallas, Texas, US. I wanted to do a hair transplant here, and a couple of relatives of mine have done hair transplant, and like one of them I really liked was done by Hair and Shape Clinic here. I had a consultation with Dr. Omkar. He gave me a hairline which I naturally wanted, and that is the sole reason that I'm planning to do a hair transplant here. Today was my test dose, and let's see how it goes. Hi, I've been given the full dose and today is my surgery. So let's see how this goes.